Adventures with the Mullies. My name's Tommy and I'm here at the TUI Blue Scheherazade in Tunisia, Sousse. Lovely hotel. As you walk in, it's just perfect, especially if you're coming in at night as well. It's all lit up, it's beautiful. Today I'm going to actually talk to you about the room which we're in, which is the standard sea view. Balcony is huge. Obviously I'll show you in the video in a moment. Anyhow, enough of that. So today I'm going to talk to you about the room, like I said. So as you walk in, you've got this lovely light feature on the wall, and then as you turn left, it's obviously sectioned off. You've got your wardrobe, your safe's actually in there as well, plenty of hanging space, plenty of sort of like shelves and everything. Then you turn off into the bathroom with the shower separated off. You've got toilets, a little bit high if I'm being honest, but yeah, absolutely, it's where you do your business, never mind. Also, you've got beautiful feature of the sink. The sink's quite modern as well, nice big mirror, and also you've got a drawer that you can pull out, put all like your toiletries and everything in there. And obviously you've got the rainfall shower, and also you've got like a separate part of the shower so if rainfall's not for you or anything like that. So that's the bathroom, and as you walk out, obviously you've got the section off, and then as you turn into the bedroom, you've got the bed. Quite a firm bed, and it's actually helped my back, believe it or not, so yeah, maybe a firm bed might be good for me. Yeah, all lovely and done up as well, especially when the maid's been in. It's our second night here. Yeah, 2 bedside cabinets. Also you've got a lovely sort of like LCD TV, you've got your tea and coffee making facilities, and obviously you've got the chair and table in the corner. And as you walk out to the balcony, this view is just magnificent. Again, I know the video is a bit hazy, but it's just a quick video just to show you what it's all about. So yeah, thank you for watching Adventures with the Mullies. My name is Tommy, Joe's in the room, but for now, please let me.